Hello, this is Rena with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays, which is an open collaboration hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and me, where you can share any kind of embellishment that you are working on. And today I want to share these sweet little candy canes that are made with rickrack or a zigzag trim, just like this. Now, this is not my idea. This one in the middle here was made for me by the amazing Sally Lentz, and I saved it because I loved it so much. And so I bought rickrack trim, but I bought smaller rickrack trim. So the next time I go to buy it, I'm definitely going to try and find some jumbo rickrack trim because I love the way that this looks. You can use any size rickrack trim that you would like. And what I'm going to do is show you how I made my sweet little candy canes. So the first thing you're going to need is your zigzag trim, and you can use any colors that you would want, but I'm going to go ahead and use the traditional red and white. Okay. And so once you've got your red and white zigzag trim, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to glue the two pieces together at the bottom. So just a little bit of glue. And you just overlap like you're going to crisscross them just like that. And I just hold that in place until it dries. And what I'm going to do to hold that in place is use a clip to just put right on top like that. Okay, so that's going to keep that in place. And then you just take your rickrack and you're just going to weave it in and out of each other, just like this. So you can see how it has the bump in the valley. So you're going to put the valley over the valley and just pull them together just like this. And you do not need glue to hold this in place. The first one I did, I glued every spot and it turned out so messy. So all you need to do is just cross one over the other and you just continue this on, just like this. So when you've got your base about as long as you want it, then you're just going to start turning it in your hands and just pressing it flat as you go. So you're going to just continue that very same process of tucking this ribbon over and under, just like that. And you're just turning it as you go to make the crook of the cane. Okay, so when you've got your crook about the length that you want it, then you're just going to take a tiny little dab of glue and you're just going to put that on and overlap the bottom part so that you're gluing those last two pieces together. And then I'm just going to move my little clip over there to hold that in place. Now, you can see that it's slightly twisted, and so you're just going to work with it a little bit and just bend that right into the shape of your candy cane. And the other thing that you can do is just put this inside like a dictionary or put some heavy books on top of it to help it lay flat and in the shape that you want it, or you can just continue to work with it. As you can see, mine is already holding its shape. So once that has dried on the end, then you just go in and you just cut that off and just continue to mold it into the exact shape that you would like it. There we go. And the same thing for the base. So there you have it. There you have your sweet little candy cane, your rickrack candy cane. And you do have to work with it. It's not quite as easy as I thought, so you do have to work with your rickrack. So thank you so much for stopping by and seeing these sweet little candy canes. And I hope you will try it. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.